Hey guys, in this video I'll show you how to add a new page in SurveyMonkey. So I'll come to the home page and choose the survey I was working on. And all you need to do once this survey loads up, I want you to go ahead and click on Design Survey, okay, to be able to actually edit this. And if you are on the edit page, that is perfect. All you need to do is actually just go ahead and scroll down until you reach the end of the page, and then you can add the new page. So if I click on new page right here, it would replace page 2 and add another page 2. But if you want to add one at the end, just scroll all the way to the end of your survey and then click on a new page, and that right there will be your page 3. Okay, so as you can see, if I scroll down here, this is now my page 3, and you can start adding questions. And it's really that easy on how to add a new page in SurveyMonkey.